Hi there, Mogau here, aka the Lazy Makoti, and today we are going to be making some chicken meatballs. So the first thing we're going to do is to combine all of our ingredients in a bowl. Some oregano, then I'm also adding in some paprika, some garlic powder, really great flavors. And then today I'm also using some grated hard cheese, then of course some breadcrumbs, 1 egg. This is gonna help bind our meatball together. I'm gonna use my clean hands now to just add in my chicken mince. It's actually easier to combine everything using your hands. So lightly oil your hands just with your favorite oil, and then you can decide what size of meatball you want. I don't like mine too big. So that's what you want. You want to get some beautiful golden brown color on all sides of your meatball. We're going to make our sauce in this pan with all of this delicious chicken flavor. And then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of butter, onion. This is just 1 onion. About a teaspoon of some garlic, mushroom, about a tablespoon of flour. And this will help in thickening our sauce. I'm going to gently stir in our chicken stock, paprika, mixed herb. We're going to add back in our chicken meatballs. This is the part where we finish off that cooking. You want to make sure that your meatballs now cook entirely. Our final ingredient to tie everything together, we are going to add in some cream. Let's just stir that in. We're just going to garnish with your favorite herbs. I'm using parsley today. And then now let's taste. Perfect.